Yo, what's going on? How do you make a chicken breast a keto meal? Very easy. Cooking chicken in a crock pot is a great way to cook once a week or once every 2 weeks. Just throw your chicken breast in there, cover it up with water over the top, a little brown pepper, Himalayan sea salt, and a little basil or a little oregano. Just keep it really simple. You can flavor it later. And then get 2 glass bowls the next day or the day after. Put half in the one bowl and half in the other bowl, one in the freezer, one in the fridge. There's chicken for 2 weeks. So as you can see, the chicken flakes apart really nice and moist, and it's really quite wonderful actually. Okay, so that's how you cook chicken in bulk. Now, how do you make a chicken breast keto? I love pesto. Add a little bit of pesto to the chicken breast. Add a little bit of giardiniera to the chicken breast. It's just about a tablespoon. I'll put a couple of tablespoons of that on there. It's got the olive oil and the giardiniera. What is pesto? It's pine nuts, basil, olive oil all crushed together, and a little bit of Parmesan cheese. I just love it. So here's a mistake people make with keto is they eat too much protein and they don't get their fat intake high enough. Fat for the day should be around 70% of your calories from fat. So if this is a meal on your keto day, this is how you turn a chicken breast into a keto meal. The other mistake people make on keto is they eat too much protein. So for me, I would typically shoot for 35 to 40 grams of protein in a meal with the traditional bodybuilding nutrition mindset. But when you're going keto, when you're using carbs for fuel, when you're using keto for fuel, pull the protein intake down about 10-20%. So in this meal, I'm going for 25 to 30 grams of protein, and then I'm just making sure it's got some good amount of fat on there. You want to get fat in probably 40 grams of fat, since fat's twice as calorie dense as protein or carbs. That amount of fat is going to be enough to make this meal keto. So that's how you make a chicken breast keto. Comment below if you got any questions. Rock on.